Want to set a photo with music on your WhatsApp status? Here's a simple way to do it. To start with, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. From here, click on the plus icon in the bottom right corner to create a new status. Once inside, choose the photo you want to feature in your status. After selecting the photo, look at the top and click on the music icon. Now you can either search for a specific song or pick one from the display. When you find the song you like, select it and use the slider to pick the exact portion you want to feature. After adjusting, hit done at the top right. Lastly, hit the send button at the bottom right corner. Finally, your new photo with music status will be uploaded, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.